International Firefighters Day IFFD 2020. This day recognizes the sacrifices of firefighters who make ensure that their communities and environment are as safe as possible. On this day, we thanked current and past firefighters for their contributions. Firefighters are some of the most selfless public servants you will ever encounter. Dennis Leary. One thing that's great about firefighters, if they don't have the equipment they desperately need, they don't have the help, they don't care. They'll do it on their own. Dennis Leary. We can't ignore that firefighters dedicate their lives to the protection of life and property. Sometimes their work is so fearless that they even climbed a tree in a burning forest to save a defenseless animal, and it was so frightened to come down on its own, isn't it? These types of things, actions firefighters do every day, in all cases it risks the ultimate sacrifice of a firefighter's life. For us, they are the saviors of life, but it is a part of their job. This day is to celebrate the courage and bravery that these men and women show. International Firefighters Day is a time where the community of the world recognize and honor the sacrifices of the firefighters who make their communities and environment as safe as possible. This day is to remember those firefighters who have died while serving our community or dedicated their lives to protecting the safety of us all. Also, it is the time to show appreciation and support to the firefighters worldwide who continue to protect us so well throughout the year. International Firefighters Day history. In ancient Egypt, the first organized professional for firefighters was to combat structural fires, but that time firefighters worked for private companies and they provide the services to those only who can afford it. Later in ancient Rome, Caesar Augustus revolutionized firefighters by calling for the creation of fire guard, which was known as Vigils. They were trained, paid, and equipped by the state. In 1999, Firefighters Day was created when five firefighters died tragically during a wildfire at Linton in Victoria, Australia. They were died due to the sudden change in the direction of the wind, and so they were engulfed in flames. Why is International Firefighters Day celebrated on 4th May? It is celebrated on 4th May because it is also Saint Florian's Day. Saint Florian was said to be one of the first commanding firefighters of an actual Roman battalion and saved many lives. Is the patron saint of firefighters. Do you know that Saint Florian saved an entire burning village in ancient Rome? He is the patron saint of chimney sweeps and firefighters. So International Firefighters Day is celebrated on this particular date as it is the feast day of Saint Florian. What is the symbol of International Firefighters Day, IFD? You can see the symbol, International Firefighters Day symbol. This is the symbol. Okay. The symbol for International Firefighters Day is a red and blue ribbon. The red color symbolizes fire and blue water. These colors also signify emergency services around the world. How is International Firefighters Day celebrated? People bring a cake to pay gestures to the firefighters in the fire hall. Some donate money as a charity, some help firefighter if injured in the line of duty, give medical treatment if required for their better health. Charities done for firefighters help retired firefighters and their family to live a comfortable life after so many years of risk that they took for us. Even several communities organizations raise awareness about the dangers that firefighters face bravely by wearing a red and blue ribbon. One of the main aspects to celebrate this day is fire prevention and the need for more intensive and thorough training. In all over the world, firefighters and their agencies are constantly working and doing prevention, whether in schools, at the public community, at assemblies, etc. So we should thank firefighters for their brave work and courage. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video with your family and friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.